Hey YouTube, hey everybody out there. This is Gary with Gary Sprinkler Repair Service, and I'd like to welcome all of our new subscribers to our channel, as well as thanking all of these subscribers that have been here along the way to help us out to build the channel. We're coming up close to 800 subscribers, so I'd like to thank you all for being part of our channel and its growth, and I'm hopefully been able to help you with some of your sprinkler questions and problems throughout the years. And again, thank you, and look forward to putting out another video here in just a couple days, probably over the weekend. And we've got our end of the month for October giveaway that we're doing here the first week in November. And we've got Taylor Sanchez. I believe he's out of Colorado. He won our 10 4-inch 1804 4-inch lawn pop-ups. And congratulations to you, Taylor Sanchez. And Larry Lynn has won the moisture meter, or water sensor, moisture meter, whatever you want to call it. That's what I call it, a moisture meter. It tells you whether things are too wet or too dry. So congratulations to both of you. If you'd like to send me your address so I can mail those out to you, to H2O Irrigation Repair at gmail.com. Again, H2O Irrigation Repair at gmail.com. Congratulations, and that's our giveaway for the month of October.